Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Raleigh. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down nccourts.gov and you need to enter it. Once inside this home page here, you need to select this make a payment in the top and from here scroll a bit down again and select this make payments. So from here what you need to do is you need to select this search type here. You can simply search by the citation number, case number, party name, business name, or the driver's license here. As I'm going to select the citation number, and you can search by the criteria here as well. And after that, you can select the submit and follow the on-screen instruction here. And after that, you can review the ticket and the amount due. And if your citation is eligible for online payment, you can select the payment option and complete the transaction. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.